Tequila is an agave-based liquor, distilled and popularized in Mexico. There are three main types of tequila: blanco, often called white or silver tequila; reposado, Spanish for rested; and añejo, or gold tequila. Blanco tequila is usually lower quality and goes best in a soda with a dash of lime. Reposado tequila has notes of vanilla, caramel, and butter, which makes it ideal for Mexican mules, palomas, and other simple cocktails. Añejo tequila tends to be spicier and richer, and many tequila aficionados enjoy it neat or on the rocks with a dash of citrus. You can even replace the bourbon in an old-fashioned with añejo tequila to make a Mexican version of the drink. Regardless, any tequila will work well in a margarita, sangria, or highball. You can also mix any tequila with grapefruit juice for a refreshing summer drink, or pour it into some club soda. Garnish it with a lime or lemon wedge for a simple and smooth drink. If you're doing a shot of tequila, lick the bit of your non-dominant hand where your thumb and index finger meet. Sprinkle a little bit of salt on the spot you licked. Grab a lime wedge and hold the shot steady. When it's time to toast and knock the shot back, lick the salt off of your hand first. Shoot the tequila with your friends, and then suck on the lime wedge. If you want to take it up a level when preparing your shots, try chilling the tequila first in a shaker with some ice, which is how it's often prepared in Mexico.